Okay, so some of you guys were wondering exactly how to complete your work in Edgenuity, and I get it; it's kind of confusing. So let's just start over from the get go. When you first get in to Edgenuity, you can get to your current assignment by clicking Next Activity, or you can go to the course map. You get to the course map by going to this left hand side right here and clicking that course map. Now, this course map shows you what you've done and what you haven't done. Okay, so you see right here, these are all the ones that I haven't done, and I need to do those because I'm due as a person. But I have done today's instructions, and I did one over the stars. And when you do the whole course instruction, you're going to see a check mark by each lesson that you did. So you see here, I got a check mark on the instruction. It took me 11 minutes to do it. On the assignment, it only took me 5 minutes, and on the quiz, it only took me 2 minutes. It took me a total of right around 20 minutes just to do one lesson. And somehow you guys are taking right around an hour just to do the instructions. So I think you're getting confused, and I think you're getting held up on things. So let me show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is go to instructions. So this is the sun. This is also due today. So I'm going to click instruction. And you see here, this is just the instruction. This is not my quiz, not my assignment. So she's going to come on and she's going to say all of her amazing things about the sun. And what you're going to do is you're going to listen to it all. But I'm a teacher, I already know all this, so I don't necessarily have to listen to it. Okay? So I'm going to forward mine up. And if you notice at the very bottom, there's a little orange box right here. When that orange box becomes highlighted at the bottom, it means that you've done it. All right, it means you can move on to the next part. Now, you're going to listen to the video and be sure you understand all this information because you're going to have a quiz over it. So go through that. You're going to check all these boxes. But look, I went too quick and it didn't give me the highlights. So then I must go back. And so I go back. Let me see here. It's making me go back. So I got to listen to this whole thing for it to actually work. So that's what I need you to do. I need you to fill all these. And when you get all these boxes filled, you'll complete this portion of the instruction. Okay, you'll complete this portion of the instruction. You'll have a blue check mark there, and then you can begin your assignment. The assignment is just a series of questions that you answer. It's the exact same thing for the quiz, so it shouldn't take you that long. Hopefully this video helps. Okay.